Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to speak on the topic how to communicate with others. In our last video, we spoke about team communication. Hope that helped. Haven't seen yet? Click on the I button on the right corner to watch it live. I have created more videos for aspiring business analysts. To go to our channel and watch them all and see it either for the first time or receive it once again. No need to subscribe. Today I will be giving you few of the insights and understanding from the bestseller book of Lies Laundis, the book named How to Talk with Anyone. I will talk about the 10 points the author has indicated us to understand in life to be smart and communicative, to be in the society or as an active listener or a speaker in any situation. Before I dive into the topic, I would like to focus on the first. The first point is smile. You should always have a look at the person, wait for a moment and then smile generously. If your smile upfront looks like a fake smile and no interest attitude, people trust others if they understand that the smile is generous and not showing off. The second point I'm going to focus is eye-to-eye contact. You need to keep eye and eye contact with the person speaking, and thus they think that you are interested in a topic. Gazing here and there indicates no interest in topic. If you gaze somewhere else, that you should be in between the eye contact. The third point is carry the topic. One should always keep a brief info about the recent topics like politics, governments, financials, etc. to possibly start any conversation at any random time with anyone and also have topics to talk. This is how others feel that they have really been in touch with a knowledgeable person. The next and the fourth point is hello old friend. One should behave like a known person even if the person is a stranger. Meeting someone and behaving like an old friend gives everyone a good image and other feels communicative. The fifth point is limit fridge. The limit frigid is what we call as a coin problem. Itching forehead, cheek, neck, rubbing hands. This indicates specifically that you are lying. One should always control their hand movement while speaking. Sit with the correct posture. Look at others. The sixth point is be the chooser. Whenever you meet someone and get attracted to anyone, one should choose him or her first and approach for the conversation. Many of us wait for the action and waste our time thinking. One should not let others choose. They should always approach first. The seventh point is no closed-end conversation. Never stop yourself responding with any others answer a question during a conversation. If someone asks you about your village, one should respond back with more details and ask something similar back to him. The eighth point is gauge the weather. See others, observe their moves, predict how the other person is feeling, predict their mental state. If they like it, then it's okay. Else, you can change the topic and maybe you ask a question. The ninth one is compensate the mood. Track on the mood in front of the person you talk. Accordingly, if you have any guesses, cut short and try to listen to them. The last point is pair up subjecting eyes. For a multiple or a table conversation, one should keep an eye to the target person, but not much. One should keep the target fixed while listening to the key speaker. So guys, this was all about today. If you like our video, feel free to like, share and subscribe. Till then, happy learning guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.